Welcome to our 2022 RWTA Australian Cold Chain podcast series, where we discuss all manner of topics that affect our temperature-controlled industry. We like to invite people along from new member companies and companies that benefit our refrigerated warehouse and transport sector. Today, I'd like to welcome an existing member of the RWTA, Darren Zimsen from EBS. Hi and Happy New Year, Darren. How are you today?
Very well, thanks, Mariana. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Happy New Year to you too.
Thank you so much. 2022 is going to be a big one for sure.
Darren,
Darren, EBS isn't the biggest company when it comes to doors and dock equipment, but I did notice something quite international about your brand, and that is that you have German designed and engineered products, but you're an Australian owned company and you manufacture your goods in Melbourne. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct, Mariana. We, EBS essentially, I guess one could say, was born in Germany to German and Australian parents and raised in Melbourne, Australia.
Excellent. Many companies are finding it nigh impossible to get gear to sites on time. How are you finding it having your product manufactured here? Is that helping your business?
Well, I would say that it has certainly been very challenging during the COVID times, especially working within the constraints of the COVID related protocols and regulations. Working to keep our team healthy and safe, and naturally also our customers. Nevertheless, our benchmark product, the ThermoSpeed insulated rapid roll door, is entirely manufactured here in Melbourne. So the production and the delivery has been maintained throughout the whole COVID era, so to speak. We've managed to deliver on time to every project throughout this time. For example, we did a big DC project here in Melbourne with over 160 doors, which we delivered and installed on time. And also in Sydney, we're just winding up a DC project which has roughly 60 doors. That's been a little bit challenging getting onto site in Sydney at times.
Yeah.
We're currently starting another DC project, a large size project of roughly 60 doors as well. So we've been able to maintain and sustain our business throughout pretty well.
You work, so EBS, you can deliver your product anywhere in Australia, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, that's good.
We've been doing that throughout the whole period.
Yeah, with quite a few problems on site, as you said, with COVID. So, the issue that many companies are experiencing, you've said that you're very reliable at delivering product and installing presently. Have you had any issues getting any products from overseas in the last 18 months or so?
No. There have been some small delays, but generally speaking, we've still been able to get our products out to site and installed on time, nevertheless. A lot of the time we've seen that there's actually been delays more with sites than with us. So we've had products sitting on site at times for extended periods of time, waiting to be able to actually get out there and install. But generally speaking, we've been very fortunate throughout this time.
Yeah, I think I was speaking to another family-owned business this morning, another new company that's coming on, and when it's a family-owned business, Australian-owned and run, there's a vested interest in that customer service, that very personable service, that one-on-one, which I think from what you're saying is you've been able to deliver on, which is fantastic.
I didn't quite catch that last question.
No, there
but
wasn't a
I
question.
believe,
We're cutting out a little bit here. I was just saying that having a family-owned company, there's a vested interest in the service and delivery. So it must have been great for your business, particularly, to be able to deliver on that on time.
Oh, definitely. That's something that we are proud of, and when we are working together with our customers, then the customer is often speaking with the owner, and naturally we take a personal interest in making sure that we deliver on our promises. So yeah, I've been very happy and a little bit proud, I guess you could say, that we've been able to continue to deliver on our promises throughout this period.
That's great customer service, and it's good to hear that in this incredibly difficult time that some businesses are able to just get on with it and support the Australian cold chain. So look, thank you, Darren, for speaking with me today about EBS. I very much appreciate it. And thank you to our viewers for joining Darren and I today. I'm looking forward to seeing you all at upcoming functions that we have planned in the different states in the near future. So please keep your eyes peeled for a release on our 80th conference and exhibition later this year. We're looking to have it in Sydney, and we'll release details as soon as possible. Everyone, have a great day, and looking forward to speaking with you all soon. Thanks for watching.